If you're a beginner guitar player and you like the blues but you just don't know where to start, well, you're in the right place, because I've got beginner guitar for blues. And consider this your first blues lesson, and by the end of it you're going to be playing the blues. And that's coming up. Welcome to Your Guitar Guide, the channel where I'm going to help you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. Today you're in the right place, because I want to show you the most popular blues riff there is, and it's called the Boogie Woogie. And it's not just for blues, it's for rock and roll and even country, like Bo Cephas and Born to Boogie. It's the blues. Let me show you how it's done, and grab your guitar and let's do it together. And by the end of this guitar lesson you're going to be playing the blues. Here we go. We're going to be playing in the key of A, and don't get worried. Don't have to worry about keys or anything like that. I'm just going to show you the chords we're going to be doing. So we're going to put our first finger on the D string at the 2nd fret. And you're going to be playing the A, which is the 5th string, and the D string, which is the 4th string, at the same time. So you pick it twice. Then we're going to come over here with your 3rd finger to the 4th fret of the D string, and you're going to pick it twice. So when you get that down, then we're going to move to the G string with our 1st finger. We're going to pick the D and the G at the same time. Do it twice. A 3rd finger on that 4th fret of the G. Back to A. And then we're going to move up a string to the A string, and we're going to pick the E and the A at the same time. If you're getting any value out of this, go ahead and click that like button and hit the subscribe and the bell icon so you can be notified every time I upload a video. It goes like this. Now with the question of the day, my favorite blues guitarist is Freddie King. Do you have a favorite blues guitarist? If you do, leave me a comment. I'd love to know who it is. So it goes from playing the A and the D string, down to the G and the D string, back up to the A and the D string, then it goes to the E and the A string, back to the G and D, and then back to the A. Now, if you want to make it sound really cool, you could use this part of your hand and mute these strings over here. And that takes some practice, so you just move it along here till you get the hang of it. See how it has a chunky sound? So try that out. And be sure to check out Sharon's Guitar Academy, where if you want to learn some more blues, I've got a guitar lesson over there where you learn the complete song. And be sure to watch this video next.